Hi, I'm Jake, and this is
Johnny.
and we've just got all of our kit, or some of it at least, from John at IBM. So we've got 4 little parcels here. The first one, which Johnny's going to show you in a lovely manner, is the Raspberry Pi. It's a Model A, so it's the lightweight model of the Raspberry Pi, and that is going to be the core module of our payload. So that is going to have sort of bits and bobs attached to it, and then it's going to have our code running.
Such as?
So this is one of our first expansions, which is the camera that we will be using to take images, hopefully take video, though we're not sure we'll be able to send that back, depending on our transmission capabilities.
It's very small.
It's very small, apparently. But it's surprisingly powerful. It can take HD videos, HD stills, and looks like it will attach with a ribbon cable to our main board. And then, if Johnny wants to get that out, this is our Pi in the Sky, which is a complete expansion board which comes with a GPS tracker, various sensors. I think it's got a temperature sensor inside and out, and it has this big thing in the middle is a radio transmitter, which will enable us to detect it via the antenna, which is sending both its GPS and hopefully all of our sensor data. And that is to be received, the signal, on the ground via this, which is a USB dongle. Although we may have a different model of this coming, which we have bought as well.
So this is our Raspberry Pi that we're going to use to send on the balloon. And this is the Pi in the Sky that should fit on here.
Like so. Here is our camera with a nice long ribbon cable, so we can attach it to the inside or the outside of our payload. And we also have here a little accelerometer, which is an additional sensor we can plug in.
This is the antenna that will eventually connect to these ports on the Pi in the Sky.
And this is just a standard TV tuner. It's just USB. So this is some, but not all of the equipment and hardware that we will use. Of course, the obvious omission is the balloon, which has got the payload underneath it, as Johnny nicely demonstrated. Also, we are getting 2 LoRa boards, which here stands for long range, which is another way of communicating with the Pi, and that is another board which will stack on top of the Pi. So we'll have the Pi in the Sky, and then one of these LoRa boards, and we have another Pi to have the receiver, as it were. What other hardware have we got?
Okay. Thank you for watching. I've been Johnny.
I've been Jake.